What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking. And if you're new here, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Everything you're going to see on this video is brought to you by me. Nothing in this video was sent here for free. I paid full price. And what we're going to be talking about today is what I'm going to label this video. The title will probably be something like Recoil delete the cheat code or something like that. And that's going to be the Radian ramjet and afterburner combo. I've wanted one of these since I first seen them dropped a couple years ago, and finally got my hands on one. And like I said, I paid full price for this, waited on it to ship. I went to order one of these several times and they were out of stock, and I was looking surfing through the internet the other day and just decided to look, and it was in stock. So I was like, boom, hit it. And we're going to unbox it right here on camera and see what comes in the box. So I've seen a lot of guys review these online, and they look like they work pretty daggone good. And as you guys know, it's going to go on this Glock 19X, which is already compensated, so it's already got some recoil reduction there, but you lose some velocity because you're letting your gas out way back here. So we're going to try this and see how we like it, and let's get back to unboxing it. I'm super excited for this. Like I said, I've wanted one of these for a super long time. And the way these things are chamfered right there, it fits right around the slide and almost looks like it's made factory for the gun. It's pretty cool. Got your tool there and your, what is that called? Like a wedge pin or something. That's everything in that box. It's just got your installation and that is the afterburner. As you can see, you got your ports up top. And let's break out the other box here. This is the ramjet, the barrel portion of this combo. Really nice packaging. That's all we got in there is the barrel. It's got some flutes in it. It's supposedly match grade, but you see you got your two big ports at the end, and then your comp goes on. Something like that. I'm super excited to get this to the range and try it out. I really can't wait. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing here on camera. We'll go over some of the details of it real quick. It says this is legal for sale in all 50 states because, as you can see, it's not a threaded barrel, which is pretty cool engineering. You can remove this. Like, I have a Parker Mountain machine comp, and it works pretty good. But that baby's shimmed and what I use on that, Rockset or Vibratite or something, but it could be removed, but it would be a task to remove it. The thing I like about this is you can take it off if you need to and get inside your slide and tighten your front sight post. The one I have my Parker Mountain machine on, my front sight post is actually just a little bit loose, and I need to pull that comp off and get in there and pull the front sight post off and re-Loctite it and put it back together. I haven't done that yet. I don't shoot that gun much. But anyways, I'm getting off the subject. Like I said, this is legal in all 50 states. The afterburner compensator is machined from hardened 17-4 stainless steel, and the ramjet barrel from hardened 416R stainless steel. Both are enhanced with a DLC diamond-like carbon coating. This combination achieves low friction, high hardness, and high corrosion resistance, making overall durability and erosion from muzzle blast a non-issue. They call it the Intralock mounting system. It uses the taper lock principle. Tapered locking screw interfaces with a angled V groove on the underside of the barrel. This perfectly times the compensator as it locks down onto the upper barrel profile on the muzzle end of the barrel. Intralock allows the user to simply slide the compensator over the barrel, insert and tighten the locking screw, making for a simple and repeatable installation process. This system allows the user to easily remove the barrel from the slide for cleaning, as I was saying earlier. So awesome. We have the product here. I'm going to pause this video, install it, and then I'll give you guys a look of the finished product. We'll take a look of the before right here. This is the compensated Glock 19X, or ported. The Glock calls them like the 19C or 17C, but it's actually ported. You can see the two ports there. And it does reduce recoil, but I'm super excited to get this installed. Let me pause this because YouTube won't allow me to show you the installation, and I will be right back with the finished product. Hold tight. All right, YouTubians, we're back, and I have this jewel installed. As you can see, there it is. I think on the 19X it makes it it gives it the length of the 17, which that looks about the length of a 17. So I'm no longer going to be losing gas from my ports here. All the compensation is going to come from here. And man, it looks sweet on there. Good looking barrel. I think Radian really knocked this one out of the park. And look forward to the future video of this, where I will take this to the range and vet it and make sure it's going to run with no problem, which will be coming soon, because I'm really excited to get this out and do some shooting with it. So this will be Recoil Delete Cheat Code Part 1, and look forward to Part 2 on this, where we will be on the range. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this content, then take a second and leave me a like. That would be much appreciated. And that thing mates up perfect. It like I said, it almost looks like it's a factory edition. It's awesome. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any experience with the ramjet and afterburner combo, if you like it, if you dislike it, if you've had any malfunctions with it, if it ran flawlessly. Just let me know, because I'm going to go see how mine runs. I appreciate you guys, and until the next video, Appalachian Smoke Wagon out.